Hello, my friends, and welcome to 1622 Sandy Hollow Cir in the beautiful community of Hopewell, Pointe in Essex. This gorgeous community is surrounded by tranquil waters and features single-family homes, condominiums, and villas. Hopewell Pointe is truly a boater's dream come true, with a 34-boat slip marina on 3 piers, a swimming pool, and 55 acres of lush landscapes. But let's talk about this beauty behind me right here. 1622 Sandy Hollow is a turnkey home that offers 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, brand new carpet in the basement, hardwood floors throughout, updated countertops, a fully finished basement, a beautiful deck, and tons of natural light. 1622 Sandy Hollow Cir is open, spacious, and ready to be called home by you. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please reach out to me at 410-746-3078 should you want to schedule your own tour of 1622 Sandy Hollow Cir. I'm here for all of your real estate needs. I'm Joan Davila with the Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway, and together we can make your next move a sure thing.